Hello and welcome back to another DCM Online Academy. My name is Megan and today we're going to demonstrate how to use the Rode Wireless Pro mics that are rentable here at DCM to get clean audio on your phone, computer, or camera. The Rode Wireless Pro is a compact wireless microphone system that includes 2 transmitters, a receiver, and a smart charging case. To start, we need to power on and pair our devices. Hold the O button on each unit to power on. The devices auto pair, but manual pairing can be done by holding the channel button on the receiver and tapping the O on the transmitter. For mounting, you can use the integrated clips to attach the transmitter units to clothing, or for a more discreet setup, plug the lav mic in via the locking 3.5mm jack and use the mag clip Go to attach to clothing. To connect mics to devices, use the included 3.5mm TRS cable to connect your receiver to your camera. Use the USB-C or Lightning cables provided to connect to phones and tablets, and connect the receiver via USB-C to computers. Audio will be automatically integrated once you plug in the device, and now you're ready to record. Thanks for watching another DCM Online Academy, and make sure to tune in later for more information on rentable equipment here at DCM.